Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Ambrane Stringz 29 wired earphones. We are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the product looks like. Aside from that, you've got nothing else of note. On the right hand side, they mentioned that it has an ear fit design. On the left, they state that it comes in, or rather, it has impressive metallic looks. On the back side of packaging, we can see what the earbuds look like because of the window. Then there are a couple of features that they'd like to highlight. First being that it offers crystal clear sound. You've got high bass reproduction. It has volume and track controls. Inline microphone. The cable length is about 1.2 meters. And you've got ear hooks or wings for a secure fit. Underneath that, you've got the manufacturer's contact information and a couple of QR codes at the bottom for you to speak to the brand directly for any queries that you might have. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox the device. On the inside, you've got a couple of ear tips. These are usually in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on your earbuds. Then there's the earphone. The connector uses a TRRS plug, that is tip ring sleeve. It is a 3.5 mm audio jack. The cable length is about 1.2 meters. And you've also got a control pod in line. There's a button at the top. This would be for playback control as well as for answering and cutting calls. Underneath that is a slider switch for altering the volume levels. And in the center is a little opening for the microphone. Then you've got the earbuds. They do not have a magnetized back. The audio canal is slightly angled for a comfortable fit. And you've got these wings or ear hooks for a secure fit. That's it for the unboxing of the Ambrane Stringz 29 wired headphones. Thank you for watching.